What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of CMO. I'm here at Razor Ranch, and as you can tell from the thumbnail, I am fired up. We have Warren Sapp on the way here right now. Big 99 for our Tampa Bay Bucks, Hall of Famer.
It's a beautiful thing. And I just think about all the teammates and all the fans that walked in and out of that place. Because Tampa was a place they said where careers came to die. That's a lie. Tampa's a destination. Tampa's a place where champions live. And we all did it together.
I can't accept the loss, I'm hard-headed. There's a little bit of madness to my method. Many falling off that fine line that I'm treading. I risk anything to be great, and I'm not letting nobody rob me of my victory. Number one, that's what I'm meant to be. When by any means, only thing that makes sense to me, I can make nice or make history. I got that dog in me, yeah. Turn me up, big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that dog in me, yeah. I take on anyone, I don't need a one-on-one. I got that dog in me, yeah. I'm talking all bite, no bark, I could rip your squad apart. I got that dog in me, so what's up? Yeah. So what's up?
Throwing up on the Bucks. I got some buddies right now that are jealous of this, so he's on the way here. I'm getting everything set up for us to spot and stock or take the big swamp buggy out to thermal hog hunt tonight. So we're gonna put some corn out down some of these rows so we can, if we want to spot and stock, we can play the wind, get in the right position and get some shots off. But all this water, man, this is the time of year I love here in Florida. The next 2 months here of hog hunting here in Florida is the best. Temperature's great. You got standing water in certain areas. You can really sneak around. It's a lot of fun. I'm gonna go spread some corn and we'll catch up with Sapp when he gets here. Look at all the cute little piggies. Look at all the cute little piggies. Oh, they did get me. That little one got me. I had him pinned right there, then I lost him. I almost caught him, Paul. I'm not as good as you with that, but y'all check out Jake's new truck. Yeah. What's up, brother? That thing is mean. Hello, Miss Jess.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Excited to be here.
Yes, ma'am. Good to see you again. He's doing business, probably.
Guns and car payments are getting cashy.
I guess.
What's up, buddy?
Not much. Let me show you this cabin. Man, look at you, brother. Look at you.
I'm on
60
the
pounds.
I'm telling you.
60 pounds and getting jacked by the Hulkster.
Yeah. That's awesome. You look great, man. Let me show you the cabin here.
I can't believe how warm it feels right now.
I know.
That's wild.
It warmed up.
I'm okay with it. I don't think it'll be that way
I
tomorrow.
brought my boots, right?
Yeah. That's cool.
Oh, it's cute.
Nice little place.
Cute. Yeah.
Super
It's
cool.
so cute.
Comfy
I
in the
love
woods.
Big TV.
it. Love it.
Look, get away from if you get to snoring too loud.
Yeah, I got my own bed.
Oh yeah.
This is really cute. I love it.
Oh, these are awesome.
Yeah.
Cool little shack.
Yeah, they all built them themselves, Larry and the guys
Look at
here.
this little fireplace
They
vibes.
did the burnt plywood.
Yeah.
I did that.
Sweet.
Okay. A little bit of scrambling right now. Get y'all caught up. We turned the corner and saw 30 pigs, and we're trying to figure out a game plan, what to get on, how to circle around to them.
Okay.
Just stay right behind. Okay. Oh, I see him. Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Oh, I see it.
No, I didn't. It just
You know,
wasn't.
by the time you guys told me to shoot, it's already like across.
Yeah.
Oh, to the right, to the right. It's a big one. To the
Why are you on your hands and knees?
What's that?
Really? What's taking you so long to shoot? You ain't.
Yeah.
You just not laying there with pain. Ready? What are you doing with your head?
There's a bigger one coming.
Oh, you gone.
There
There you go.
was a massive one cutting across, I swear.
There's a great big one coming.
Huge. Huge.
I was waiting on him. I was going to put one between his eyes. And
With all that movement?
I was behind the bushes.
No, I'm looking at you.
Tell who he looks
Bobbing and weaving and
Floyd Mayweather
everything.
out there.
You saw him bobbing and
You
weaving
talking
and
about the
everything.
one that this last one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bobbing,
No, it's not the one when you were laying down.
bobbing and weaving
Oh.
and jumping and moving.
God didn't give me a
Oh,
spring.
Jesus. Oh, you the best.
I hate yours.
See the big crosshair?
Uh-huh.
That's what goes on your animal.
Oh, that's a great.
That's small. Is your
That's the
magnification.
nicest looking trash can I ever seen.
Small magnification, that's on your spot.
See how it magnifies? Tire.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So as long as that big crosshair is on your target, that small one's going to magnify in where your bullet's going to be hitting.
This is gonna be a nice video. It's gonna be a nice video.
The buggy.
I've been on some buggies, boy. And that right there, that might take the cake right there. That might take the cake. Here it goes. Here it goes. I just looked at the rail on the side. Yeah, you take the cake. Holy smokes. Look at that thing. Oh yeah, I gotta get me a picture with that thing.
Yeah, there you
I gotta get me a picture with that thing. Hold on, get the boy. Get the boy.
It's on here. You're just going to have to hold the gun.
Yeah.
Pick that up a little bit. I didn't really measure.
There you go. There you go.
What's that? Oh, is that app that's linked, that phone's linked to the optics?
Straight to Pulsar.
Oh man, that's awesome. The pigs.
Where the hell is he at? I hit him. He's right there.
He's dead.
He's sitting there. That's right.
He got it, didn't he?
That's pressed. That's pressed. I hit him. Oh, he definitely did that hit.
Go ahead, hit charging on the other side.
Huh?
The charging handle.
Press that. You're hot again.
Oh, he go. He went in the bush. Oh, no, there you go. Too far. Oh, right there.
Hold on, I'm gonna zoom up. I'm
Yeah.
gonna ease up on it.
Yeah. Oh.
Again.
There's him down. He's down.
Shoot another one. Keep shooting.
This is awesome.